Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Alex Kaufman here with Teifke Real Estate. And if you haven't seen my story, we got a link here. However, 6 years ago, I was working at Firehouse Subs, and over the past 6 years, I've grown a lot personally, I've grown a lot professionally, and a lot of that had to do with reading books, learning from others, mentors. And so today, I'm going to talk about my 3 favorite books that I've read that have helped me grow into the person I am today, personally and professionally. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's roll the intro and dive in. Thanks again for tuning in. This is going to be quick and easy. Make sure you stick with me to the end. Book number 1 is Sell or Be Sold by Matt Teifke's favorite author, Grant Cardone. So in Sell or Be Sold, this really helped grow a lot in sales, and it taught me a lot about the sales process, how to navigate the sales process, how to talk to customers, how to combat RDRs, which are reactionary defense responses. Becoming completely sold on myself, my product, my service, whatever my business is trying to sell. It gave me the confidence to go into any sales situation and be able to close a deal. Grant Cardone even was on our podcast. If you haven't seen that episode, make sure you check it out here. Book number 2 is Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. Everybody talks about Rich Dad, Poor Dad, how this book revolutionized their life. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a great book, but Robert Kiyosaki also has many other good ones, and Cash Flow Quadrant talks about the differences between being an employee, a self-employed business owner, an actual business owner, and then being an investor. The transition from going to another quadrant from the other, and how to eventually get to the investor side of things, which is where ultimately we want to be, where our money's working for us, it's growing, and we're not participating in the daily activities of a business. It really opened my eyes because, a lot of us as small business owners are just getting started in real estate investing. We are the self-employed person. If we stop working, the business stops working. And that's not a great place to be, because ultimately we don't necessarily want to be there long term. We want to get to the business owner and then eventually investor, where we can do whatever we want and our money's just constantly working for us. Next book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This is an old one, and I believe my grandfather even went to one of these seminars back in the day. This book's been around for a long time, and Dale Carnegie, what he talks about here is, it sounds a little, manipulative with the title, How to Win Friends and Influence People. But what this book is really about is how to relate to others, how to show empathy, how to show understanding, how to connect with other people to ultimately get where you're trying to go. Which, if you're a business owner, it may be trying to get your team together to grow and achieve new goals. If you are a salesman, it may be trying to get that customer to buy your product or service. And How to Win Friends and Influence People ultimately just talks about how to treat other people, how other people would like to be treated, and what you can do to be better about interacting with others. What books have helped you grow the most? I'm very interested to hear what books have helped you out. That way maybe I can come pick it up and read it as well. Drop it in the comments below. Thank you guys for tuning in, and please check out any of those books if you feel like one may be able to help you out. They've helped me out tremendously. So with that, we'll see you next time.